Welcome back to Auto Junction, the hub for next-level automotive content. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a moment now to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that completely redefines luxury travel, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti has stepped into the world of ultra-luxury motorhomes, and it's as mind-blowing as you'd expect. Stay tuned till the end as we unpack its stunning design, futuristic interior, monster performance, and the jaw-dropping price tag. Starting with the exterior. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a house on wheels, it's an architectural masterpiece on the move. The design draws inspiration from the Chiron's sleek, aerodynamic curves, but on a much grander scale. The front fascia is dominated by a massive horseshoe grille, with active aero elements that adjust based on speed and wind resistance. LED light signatures wrap around the corners, creating an aggressive, futuristic expression, even at a standstill. The body lines flow effortlessly from front to rear, with sculpted panels and hidden air vents enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Giant alloy wheels with carbon fiber accents and an active suspension system add both presence and performance. The rear features a panoramic glass tailgate that opens up like butterfly wings, making a dramatic statement whether you're parked at a resort or on the cliffs of a coastal highway. Step inside, and it's a different universe. The cabin of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is luxury reimagined. You're immediately welcomed by ambient lighting, brushed aluminum surfaces, and hand-stitched Italian leather upholstery throughout. The cockpit is ultra-minimalist yet incredibly advanced, with a digital dashboard that wraps around the driver and integrates navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and voice-controlled features seamlessly. The pilot and co-pilot seats are inspired by jet cockpits, complete with memory functions, massage settings, and full recline. Moving into the living space. The motorhome offers a modular interior that can transform at the push of a button. A full-size lounge with motorized reclining chairs, a retractable old home theater system, and panoramic smart glass windows that tint automatically. The kitchen features induction cooktops, smart storage, and a wine chiller crafted into the cabinetry. The bedroom suite is nothing short of a 5-star hotel room, with a king-size floating bed, adaptive lighting, and temperature zoning. Even the bathroom feels ultra-premium, offering a rainfall shower, smart mirror, and heated floors. Everything is voice-controlled through Bugatti's AI ecosystem, making every function effortless. Under the hood, or should we say, under the floor, is where the Bugatti DNA really shines. The 2026 Motorhome is powered by a quad-turbo W16 hybrid powertrain, producing a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower, paired with an all-wheel drive system and active torque vectoring. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 6 seconds, which is unheard of for a motor. Despite its weight, the adaptive air suspension and carbon ceramic brakes ensure complete control on highways and twisty roads alike. It also features regenerative braking and solar-assisted energy systems to power the onboard electronics sustainably. When it comes to tech, this machine is loaded. From 5G connectivity to biometric security, face recognition entry, and satellite-linked autonomous driving assist, the Bugatti Motorhome is essentially a luxury penthouse crossed with a super on wheels. You can even control the entire interior from your smartphone, whether it's setting the climate, dimming the lights, or queuing up your favorite movie. And now for the price. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome comes with an eye-watering price tag of around $5 million, depending on customization. But let's be honest, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of opulence, power, and innovation for the ultra-elite. That wraps up our exclusive review of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Would you take this beast out on a cross-country journey, or park it as a weekend getaway home by the ocean? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, for more rare luxury rides and insane automotive creations, make sure you're subscribed to Auto Junction. We've got much more coming your way.